Hey there, Erica Tripp, your favorite 31 gal. I want to show you actually I'm going to show you two separate videos of our insider exclusives. Now, what's an insider exclusive? Well, girl, that is when you host a party with me, either online, texting, a catalog party, or even a home party if you live here in Arizona. And then once your party reaches $200, you have access to buy one of these items. Then if your party reaches $500, you have access to purchase two of these items. And then once your party reaches $1,000 or more, you get two of those items for free. Now, with our insider exclusives, you actually get free personalization. So that's an awesome deal itself. Let me go ahead and show you one of the two items, and then you'll just have to stay tuned to watch the next video for the second item. So this is our brand new this season Ultimate Organizing Tote, and I'm going to try and turn it this way so that my light hits it. So this is in our Twinkling Plum, and it's this pretty plum color with also some little details with the rose gold little spots on it, which they look kind of just scribbled in. Get a little bit closer. They look just a little bit scribbled. Super, super cute. So this front side is where you're going to have your personalization if you choose to do that. This back side has our signature cell phone pocket, and then it also has another pocket here, but this pocket actually unzips so that if you are traveling, you can put your luggage, you can slip it right onto your luggage, and it'll stay nice and snug for you. It does have some reinforced straps, so it's got our regular straps, but then they're a little bit reinforced with more of the detail of the rose gold little, I'm going to call those scribble dots. On the inside of this bag, it's a huge bag, right, on the inside, but here's some cute little secret pockets. So this pocket here on the side where your personalization goes is going to be perfect for your laptop, and it will actually zip closed and keep that secure. And then on the other side, if you are on the go, you can carry your snacks or lunch or something you need to keep cool in there. Maybe a lip gloss or a chapstick or something like that. You can keep it totally cool in there. So this, again, is our brand new this season, this fall, Twinkling Plum Ultimate Organizing Tote. It does come in another print, which is our charcoal crosshatch. It's going to be the gray. And again, you can personalize on this side. So stay tuned, ladies, because I am going to show you one of our other insider exclusives. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like and turn on your notifications so when I post a video, you don't miss a thing. Have a good day.